Hey there, welcome back to eGreen Channel. There's something truly magical about a steaming bowl of lentil soup. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for chilly evenings or a light lunch. This recipe is a staple in my home, not only for its delicious flavor, but also for its incredible nutritional value. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber, making them a fantastic choice for a healthy and satisfying meal. This recipe is incredibly easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you end up with a pot of soup that will have everyone asking for seconds. So gather your ingredients and let's get cooking. Before we begin our culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional for a touch of heat, 1 cup brown or green lentils, rinsed, 6 cups vegetable broth, 1 14.5-ounce can diced tomatoes, undrained salt and pepper to taste. These ingredients are readily available at most grocery stores. Feel free to adjust the spices to your liking, adding more or less depending on your preference. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's start cooking. This is where the magic begins. The key to a delicious lentil soup is in the preparation and the layering of flavors. So let's dive in and create something truly special. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Olive oil is a great base for our soup, providing a rich and smooth texture that will carry the flavors of our ingredients beautifully. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery. These vegetables form the holy trinity of our soup base, offering a balance of sweetness and earthiness. The onions bring a subtle sweetness. The carrots add a vibrant color and natural sweetness. And the celery offers a slight bitterness that rounds out the flavors. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the vegetables are softened. This step is crucial as it allows the vegetables to release their flavors and become tender, creating a harmonious base for our soup. Stir in the minced garlic, cumin, curry powder, and cayenne pepper, if using. These spices will infuse the soup with warmth and depth. Garlic adds a pungent kick. Cumin brings a smoky note. Curry powder offers a complex blend of spices, and cayenne pepper adds a touch of heat. Cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly until fragrant. This brief cooking time allows the spices to bloom, releasing their essential oils and intensifying their flavors. Add the rinsed lentils, vegetable broth, and diced tomatoes. Lentils are the star of our soup, providing protein and a hearty texture. The vegetable broth adds depth and richness, while the diced tomatoes contribute acidity and a touch of sweetness. Season generously with salt and pepper. Proper seasoning is key to bringing out the best in our ingredients, enhancing their natural flavors and ensuring a well-balanced soup. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. This slow simmering process allows the flavors to meld together, creating a rich and satisfying soup. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. This is your chance to make the soup your own. Add more salt, pepper, or spices to suit your taste. Remember, cooking is an art, and your palate is the best guide. Serve warm with a dollop of yogurt or a sprinkle of fresh herbs if desired. The yogurt adds a creamy tang, while the fresh herbs provide a burst of color and freshness. Enjoy your homemade lentil soup, a comforting and nutritious meal that's perfect for any occasion. Lentils, the star of our soup, are nutritional powerhouses. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, both essential for maintaining a healthy weight, regulating digestion, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. They're also a good source of iron, folate, and potassium. But the nutritional benefits don't stop there. This soup is packed with other nutrient-rich vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This soup is not just delicious, but also a healthy and fulfilling meal option. Section 5. A Symphony of Flavors raves for the lentil soup. This lentil soup recipe has become a firm favorite among family and friends. It's not just a meal, it's an experience that brings people together. Whether it's a casual weeknight dinner or a special family gathering, this soup always finds its way to the table. It's a dish that pleases everyone, from picky eaters to seasoned food lovers. The versatility of lentil soup means it can be adapted to suit various tastes and dietary needs, making it a universal favorite. This lentil soup is my go-to comfort food. On a chilly evening, there's nothing more satisfying than a warm bowl of this hearty soup. It's like a hug in a bowl, providing both nourishment and comfort. It's so hearty and flavorful, and I love that it's packed with veggies, says Sarah J. The combination of lentils, carrots, celery, and tomatoes creates a rich and satisfying texture that keeps you coming back for more. I never thought I'd be a fan of lentil soup, but this recipe completely changed my mind. The blend of spices and the depth of flavor make it a standout dish. Even those who are skeptical about lentils find themselves asking for seconds. It's so easy to make and absolutely delicious, shares Mark D. With just a few simple ingredients and minimal prep time, you can have a nutritious and tasty meal ready in no time. It's perfect for busy weeknights, or when you want something wholesome without the fuss. The combination of warm spices, hearty lentils, and flavorful vegetables creates a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Each spoonful offers a burst of taste, from the earthy lentils to the aromatic spices, making it a truly memorable dish. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, this lentil soup is a must-try. Its simplicity and depth of flavor make it a staple in any recipe collection. So, gather your ingredients, invite your loved ones, and enjoy the magic of this beloved lentil soup. Section 6. Your soup, your way customization is key. One of the best things about this lentil soup recipe is its versatility. You can easily customize it to your liking by adding different vegetables, spices, or even grains. For a heartier soup, add a cup of chopped potatoes or sweet potatoes along with the other vegetables. For a spicier kick, increase the amount of cayenne pepper or add a diced jalapeno pepper. For a different flavor profile, swap out the cumin and curry powder for 1 tablespoon of your favorite curry paste. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and make this recipe your own. Section 7. The gift that keeps on giving, lentil soup for the week. This lentil soup is not only delicious and nutritious, but also incredibly convenient for meal prep. It can be made ahead of time and stored in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. You can also freeze the soup for up to 3 months, making it a perfect option for busy weeknights. Simply reheat and enjoy. This soup is a lifesaver on those hectic days when you don't have time to cook. Section 8. Serving up satisfaction. Enjoy. This lentil soup is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight dinner or a dish to impress your guests, this soup has got you covered. Serve it as a hearty and satisfying main course with a side of crusty bread or a simple salad. The bread is perfect for dipping, soaking up all the rich flavors of the soup, while the salad adds a refreshing contrast. It also makes a delicious and comforting appetizer or light lunch. Imagine starting your meal with a warm bowl of this soup, setting the stage for a delightful dining experience. For a more substantial meal, top your soup with a dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream. These additions not only add creaminess, but also a tangy flavor that complements the earthiness of the lentils. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro can elevate the dish, adding a burst of color and a fresh aromatic touch. These herbs not only enhance the visual appeal but also add layers of flavor, or consider a drizzle of olive oil. This simple addition can add a rich, velvety texture and a hint of luxurious flavor, making each spoonful even more delightful. A sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese adds a nice salty finish. The cheese melts slightly into the hot soup, creating a deliciously savory experience with every bite. No matter how you choose to enjoy it, this lentil soup is sure to become a new family favorite. Gather your loved ones around the table and share the warmth and comfort of this delightful dish. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience that brings people together, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So go ahead, serve up a bowl of this delicious lentil soup and enjoy the satisfaction it brings. Section 9. A final word. Lentil soup, a culinary hug. This lentil soup is more than just a recipe. It's a culinary hug in a bowl. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. Good food, shared with good company. It's a testament to the fact that healthy eating can be delicious and satisfying. So, gather your loved ones, ladle up a bowl of this heartwarming soup, and savor the flavors of comfort and togetherness. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.